What if money could secure itself? That's the promise of proof of stake, one of the most important mechanisms shaping the future of crypto. This is Tech Under 5, where tech meets simplicity in just under 5 minutes. And today, let's dive into proof of stake. Before we dive into proof of stake, let's step back. Blockchains need a way for everyone to agree on the same version of events: who paid who and when. That system is called consensus mechanism. By definition, a consensus mechanism is a system of rules and processes that allow distributed participants to agree on a single version of the truth. Without it, the blockchain would fall apart. People could double spend or even rewrite history. Now that we know why consensus is needed, let's look at proof of stake. Imagine a group of people sitting at a table. To participate, each person has to lock up some of their own money, almost like saying, I promise to act honestly. If they follow the rules, they are rewarded. But if they cheat, they lose their money. This penalty is called slashing. So, in short, in proof of stake network, your honesty is backed by a wallet. So, how does this actually play out in real world blockchain networks? Let's break down the key characteristics of proof of stake. First, it's energy efficient. Unlike proof of work, you don't need massive mining rigs burning electricity. Validators are chosen based on stake, not raw computing power. Second, it's a system of carrots and sticks. Validators earn rewards for confirming honest transactions, but if they go offline too often or try to cheat, they face penalties, sometimes losing part of their stake. And third, centralization. The more coins you stake, the higher your chances of being selected as a validator. That means wealthier players can gain more control, which raises concerns about fairness. Now let's take a look at where this actually being used in the real world. Ethereum, after its big shift called the merge, now runs on proof of stake. And Cardano has been proof of stake from the very beginning. Both are major players, showing how this mechanism works in practice. But of course, no system is perfect. So, how do newer versions of proof of stake try to solve this problem? Ethereum 2.0 addresses the centralization issue by making the selection process more random. Think of it like a lottery. Staking more gives you more tickets, but smaller holders still have a fair chance of being picked. It also introducing sharding. Imagine splitting one giant highway into smaller lanes, so more transaction can flow at once. That makes the network faster and more scalable. That said, even those with new improvements, some issues still remain. Wealth can still concentrate in big staking pools, and slashing rules, while necessary, can sometimes punish honest mistakes, which makes smaller players nervous about participating. So that's proof of stake in under 5 minutes. Efficient, reward driven, but still evolving. It's one of the most important experiments in how we build digital trust. If you found this breakdown helpful, hit like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more blockchain explained simply. See you in the next one.